Hey there, welcome to another episode of Two Labs Garage. I am driving today in my 1996 Ford Thunderbird to a cruise-in that they have in the nearby city of Franklin, and they have it on Wednesday evenings. And normally I go this one probably about half dozen times a year. Got the Thunderbird, got my two dogs, hopefully you can see them, testing out some new cameras, the camera angles and mounts punching the car, try to up my game as far as the filming goes. Anyway, we're going to go out to this cruise-in, see what shows up. I'm hoping for a good turnout tonight. Being the weather's kind of pleasant, I'm kind of banking on it. Alright, so I got here a little late, so it's thinned out pretty good, but we still got some cars here. Like my Thunderbird. Got this truck. Everything alright with you? Real pretty Cuda. There's unfortunately a few more have left, but nonetheless. 10693. Really good looking Bronco right there. And the owner of his Fiat's a real nice lady. Loves the dogs. Nice looking Buick GS. Show y'all around this one real quick. Absolutely beautiful car. And we have a patinaed Impala. This just came up, or it's a Caprice, excuse me. This just came up a few minutes ago. I asked somebody I knew up here if my tardiness was the reason I'm not seeing much out here. They told me that those clouds over there concerned people. A lot of people didn't come out because they thought it would rain.
Yeah. Yeah, dry that jug up to Virginia, big tip is on. What the hell?
How's it going?
Pretty dogs.
Oh, thank you. Now this 5-window GMC, this is one I had never seen before, which is interesting. Small turnout, but still seeing something new. Beautiful truck there. Square body's leaving us, but that's alright. Sorry I didn't get a better view of that. Got a nice looking Ford Lightning here. Very nice. Girls, come on. And this Cutlass here is just absolutely beautiful. Very well preserved vehicle. Pretty car. I like this an awful lot. Oh, got a Buick convertible coming in. Alright, this Falcon here, I love this Falcon. Originally I said that's what color I was going to paint mine, but I've kind of since decided I wanted to go a darker route. Over this way we got a nice looking Mach 1 Mustang, 72 model. There's something about green, black, and white paint jobs. I really like them. I love the way this truck looks. Just really, really fantastic. Yeah, jury's out on the blue interior, but still looks alright. This is something along these lines is a paint job I could see myself doing one day. Kind of reminds me of a car Kyle Larson returned in. I always liked that paint job. Yeah, old GTO over here, 70 model. Come on, Caroline. Pretty, pretty car. And the Frog Blazer. This one's up here in Franklin quite a bit. Pretty car. Truck, whatever. I have an old fire chief's car over here, for what it's worth. That's something a little different. Still has a current inspection on it. And I also like trains, so I like to see what power they got tied down here. CSX 2724. I think I might look up, see what its pedigree is. GP38-2. And they got a little caboose down here. That thing's pretty much always here. In this particular car, I'm not worried about getting caught in the rain, shower. I love this car. I can't even tell y'all. A lot of people can't understand why I kept it once I retired it, but I love it. By the way, I'm kind of looking for somebody that might be parting out a Super Coupe version of one of these, because I got a pretty good transmission leak, and well, I wouldn't mind having a manual in that. I need Super Coupe clutch pedal assemblies and a few other odds and ends, put a manual in that. And before I leave, I want to check out this Skylark convertible. It's a nice looking piece right there. Rag top. It's interesting I did the boat speakers in there. That's one thing I do sometimes is I'll look for ideas and The old Dodge truck I got. Speakers in the front, I've been kind of tripping on how to do them. I'm not hating that idea. I may figure out a way to adapt it a little more to my taste, but not bad. Not bad at all. Another thing I enjoy looking at sometime are these vintage bumper stickers. I remember when these were everywhere. Also dealership badges on the back. They're just something else I like. Alright, so like I said in some other videos, I'm trying to figure out how to do car show videos the best. Still pictures or GoPro strapped to my head. Or like I'm thinking of doing on this episode, combination of both. I don't even know if this is really part of it, but I like this old Dakota. Alright, so it's time to head back. Turnout tonight, certainly wasn't the best one I've ever seen out here. I've seen them have over 100 cars, but oh well, tonight just wasn't the night. But there'll be other nights. But I'm going to enjoy driving this Thunderbird back home. I'm going to hit back roads for a little bit of a way. But I'll go ahead and turn on the other GoPro now. But if y'all haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. They help this channel out a lot, help it grow. Channel grows, I can do more stuff, I can do better stuff. I've really enjoyed making these videos for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy watching them. Like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, all that really does help me. Anyway, I'm heading back home, passing the paper mill in Franklin now. That's not the most pleasant fragrance in the world, but it is what it is. This town says that's the smell of money, so I guess that's important too. But yeah, I'm gonna take a different route back home, where I'm using the back roads rather than US 58. It'll be a little more enjoyable ride. But anyway, enjoy the ride. Now this fire station over here, right over there, they've got an old vintage fire truck. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it or not. They got the bay down. I can see it, but that's only because I know it's there and I know what to look for. Time for some real back roads now. These are the kinds where it's really fun to just beat up the onions on. Have a good handling car. And living big girls playing, imagine that. Alright, so I have taken the GoPro that's facing my face out and holding it. I'm going to slow down here, show y'all this guy's place if I can. 66 sign up there, stoplight. Old vintage wrecker. Fella cutting his grass. Probably wonders what I'm doing. Anyway, thought I'd share that. So we're getting close to the end of our journey. I'm losing daylight quick. And these clouds do make it appear as if there may be some rain coming. So anyway, again, I appreciate y'all joining me. I hope this is a different style of video. Y'all let me know whether or not you like them. I'm just trying different things, y'all. But I always, probably say already, but I always appreciate y'all tuning in. Hitting the like and subscribe button, please. That means the world to me when y'all do that. And till next week, take care of your project. And I got more different, more exciting stuff to come. Probably be working on this Thunderbird here before long. So have a good evening, and I'll see y'all soon.